Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw an American football. Let's start off by drawing a big leaf shape for the ball. Then, add two curved lines across the ball here for the stripes. And one more pair of lines up here for the other stripe. Next, you can draw the lace with a tall U shape here, two more on either side, and add two straight lines underneath. Repeat these steps all the way to the other side and cap it off with a U shape at the end. This lace is where you're supposed to put your fingers when you throw the ball. And with some thin lines, draw a curve from the tips of the football up to the ends of the lace like so. Lastly, add some dots over here and also over here for the football texture. And now you've got an American football.